how to add trusted connections on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, want to add trusted connections on Roblox? This feature helps parents and guardians manage who a child can safely communicate with on Roblox. So, let's dive right in. Open up the Roblox app or website, and you need to log into the parent account or the account connected to the parental controls. Go to more option in the bottom right corner, head over to settings, and once your settings you'll find parental controls, and here you'll see different safety and privacy options for the account. Now you can see that you can manage your child's Roblox experience. You can link your account to your child's to get access to parental controls and insights on your child's screen time, friends, spending, and more. So first you need to visit parental account, all your child's account, and then enter your email to get started. You can tap on learn more and learn more about this. This feature allows approved people to communicate more freely with the account depending on Roblox safety settings and age restrictions. So you can add trusted connection, search for the user, enter the Roblox username, or approve an existing friend connection. In some cases, you can even remove someone, change permissions, or review connected users. So that is how you add trusted connections on Roblox. It's a useful feature for improving safety and managing communication on the platform. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the